We've heard that real estate is one of the best investments for building wealth. But how exactly? Let's do the math and find out how you can earn millions through real estate investing. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real stories and practical investment strategies so you can have the confidence to start and grow your real estate investments today. Billionaire Andrew Carnegie, one of the richest men during the 19th century, once said, 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. While this quote may seem too abstract, let's go through the numbers behind the quote. But first, how do we measure wealth? Wealth is measured by the net worth. And net worth is your total assets less your total liabilities. In real estate, there are two main wealth drivers. The first wealth driver is capital appreciation. Capital appreciation is simply the increase in market value of the property versus your purchase price. In order to maximize capital appreciation, you must invest in locations with several ongoing and planned developments and infrastructure projects that will boost the value of the property long term. The second wealth driver is net cash flow. Net cash flow is your expected inflow to rental income less your expected outflow or all expenses and payments related to the property, such as monthly dues, taxes, and monthly loan amortization. You can generate positive cash flow by investing in properties that will have a bigger rental income versus the expenses and payments. So let's take the following example to look at how both capital appreciation and net cash flow will grow your wealth and its relationship with your liabilities or home loan. Let's assume you invested in a 2-bedroom condo unit worth 5 million pesos in a good location and with a payment scheme that would yield you a positive cash flow. You paid 1.5 million in cash, and for the balance of 3.5 million, you used a 20-year home loan at 6% interest rate per annum. This means your current net worth is 1.5 million. After 5 years, your property is now worth 8 million, equivalent to 10% compounded annual growth rate. Not only has your property increased in value significantly, you've also accumulated 500,000 in cash from your net cash flow of 8,300 per month on average. Finally, since you've been slowly paying your monthly amortization, your loan has been reduced to 3 million. In short, parang yung tenant mo ang nagbabayad ng expenses at loan mo. Tapos, may profit ka pa. This gives you a net worth of 5.5 million for this property, or a 4 million increase in just 5 years. So, imagine what your net worth would be if you replicated this with one or more properties. By investing in the right properties, you can definitely grow your wealth quickly and exponentially. If you need help in getting the right property investment for you, send me a message or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time!